Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Farmer's Delight mod. This fantastic mod enriches your Minecraft farming and cooking experience, adding many new crops, ingredients, and cooking mechanics. You can grow fresh produce like cabbage and onions, then use them to craft a diverse array of dishes. Get ready to transform your virtual kitchen into a bustling culinary hub, preparing delightful meals that offer unique benefits to your character. Expanding your farm is simple with Farmer's Delight. Begin by planting new seeds for crops like cabbage, onions, and rice in tilled soil, just as you would with vanilla crops. Once mature, harvest them to collect your fresh ingredients. You will also want to craft a cutting board and a knife. The knife is essential for efficiently harvesting crops and preparing ingredients, allowing you to dice, slice, and chop your way to delicious meals. With your harvested ingredients, it is time to cook. The mod introduces several new cooking stations, including the cooking pot and the skillet. Use the cooking pot to craft hearty stews and soups, combining multiple ingredients for a single, satisfying meal. The skillet is perfect for frying up eggs, bacon, or even making a quick sandwich. There are over 50 new food items to discover, each offering unique benefits like enhanced saturation or temporary buffs. Beyond basic cooking, Farmer's Delight offers excellent kitchen organization. Craft functional cabinets and pantry blocks to neatly store your growing collection of ingredients and prepared dishes. These storage solutions help keep your kitchen tidy and your food accessible. For more efficient cooking, build a stove, which allows you to cook multiple items at once. You can even display your beautifully crafted meals on a plate, adding a decorative touch to your culinary space.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.